In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up your business profile in SalesCaptain in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Click Settings in the left sidebar, then select Business Profile to open your profile page. Here in the Business Information section, you'll see your business name, address, phone number, and other general details. Click Edit to update any of these fields, then hit Save when you're done. Scroll down to Business Hours, where you can configure your opening times, add special hours, enter a description of your products or services, and drop in a link to your menu or reservation page. Next, under Automated Messages for Business Hours, you can set up after-hours auto responses for each of your different messaging channels so customers always hear back from you. Under Media, go ahead and upload your company files like a logo or banner image to keep your branding consistent. And finally, down here, you'll find the options to connect your SalesCaptain account to Google My Business, Facebook, or any other social media platforms you use. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.